Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials so uploads won't fail mid-process. Make sure your Ps5 firmware is updated and you're signed into PSN. This authorizes uploads. Once done, check available storage and switch to a wired Ethernet or a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi to reduce packet loss. While you're here, set clip privacy to public or friends depending on intent, otherwise uploads may be blocked. Now that prerequisites are set, move to exporting and selecting the clip format. You'll now prepare the clip for transfer and upload. Trim and set resolution inside Media Gallery to limit file size. Higher settings can fail on slow links. If the file is large, export to a USB drive formatted XFAT and upload from a PC. Otherwise, use the Ps5 built-in upload to YouTube/Twitter/Twitch. Make sure you authenticate the chosen service on the Ps5 once more. Then start the upload and watch the progress bar until it completes to avoid corrupted transfers. To finish, confirm the upload finished and check visibility on the destination service. Sometimes it's uploaded but set to private. If uploads fail, restart your router and the Ps5, then re-authenticate the PSN and connected service credentials. Once done, retry. If problems persist, export the clip to USB and upload from a PC to isolate the issue. As a last resort, boot Ps5 safe mode and rebuild the database to fix corrupted media indexing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.